Okay, next is we are supposed to derive the formula for induced EMF on the basis of concept of Lorentz force. So let's say there is a charge q which is moving with velocity v in uniform magnetic field. So if there is a charge q which moves with the velocity v in a uniform magnetic field, so magnetic force formula is bqv. Okay, if magnetic field is inside the screen. Okay, now when a straight conductor moves in a magnetic field, all the charge carriers, let's say there will be a lot of charge carriers here, all these charge carriers will be moving with the same velocity v. Okay, so there will be this force bqv on all these. Okay, now work done in moving the charge q from one end of the conductor to another end will be F into L. So since velocity of the charged particles is in this direction, let's say magnetic field is inside, so force will be, let's say, in this direction. So so work done in moving the charge from one end of conductor to another end will be F into L, and we know force will be BQV. So in place of force, you will put BQV into L. So that will be work done. Now we will take this term like W by L, W by Q. So that will come as dVL, and work done by per unit charge. That is your motional EMF E. So EMF is dVL. Okay. Since you have, let's say, found the value of EMF, once let's say in the loop there is a resistance R, and let's say this was the massless rod which was moving with the velocity v. So you found what is the EMF, then we are supposed to find what is the charge flowing or what is the current flowing. So for that we'll just use EMF is equals to I into R, and EMF we have found as d phi by dt. So that will be equal to I into R. Now I is also dq by dt. So we will get this relation d phi by dt is equals to dq by dt into R. If you'll remove dt from both sides, so you'll get dq is equals to d phi by R. So this is the expression for induced charge in terms of induced EMF. dq is induced charge, d phi is induced EMF. So in general, we can say induced charge is equals to induced flux by, so d phi is induced flux. So induced charge is equals to induced flux by resistance. Okay.